Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's another day here in North Carolina. It's beautiful, I'll have to say. Temperature has dropped down some, low 80s. The humidity's gone for a couple of days anyway. It's supposed to come back next week, but it's been several days since I've been up here again between work and thunderstorms. Hadn't done a whole lot. Hopefully you watched the last video about the trucks. Just kind of, like I said, jumping around between things. I did work up here on Labor Day, didn't do any video, and basically just mowing the yard and weed eating and spraying again. And I went down and weed eated all around Jack's pasture, the fence that I put up and stuff. We hadn't done that all summer, and I've neglected a couple of spots in there. And now that I've got some of the rest of the fields clear, my mom and dad are here. My mom likes to look out over the bottom there, and there's still 2 patches of trees there I need to take down, and I need to uplift a couple of cedar trees and finish that project up. So been about a month, I think, since I had the loader cranked up, and brought you guys along for any of that. So might get a little bit a day taking down a couple of small trees there around the fence line and getting that situated. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them. It's a long push and fenced in from any kind of brush piles. I may have had to pile it up and cut it up with a chainsaw or something, haul it off with a truck, but I'll bring you along for a little bit of it. Alright everybody, I believe we're going to wrap this one up and call it a video. Got a little seat time back on the loader today. That felt good. Get back doing some clearing and cleaning up. This is something I promised my mom I would do a long time ago when we fenced Jack in here, and it's just something that's gotten pushed back on the back burner. So I want to go ahead and get that taken care of. Like I said, I had done a bunch of weed eating around the fence line and stuff up here at the barn. You can see this field, his pasture, when you first pull up to the barn, and then you look out across it over to the donkey pasture, the old one, and then to the bottom land. You've all seen that. So kind of still looks shabby compared to what everything else did. So wanted to tackle that while it was cool today. Still got a few more things to do. We got to clean up around here and get the limbs cut up. I think I'm just going to haul them off in the dump truck so that I don't have to push them so far. Once we get everything cleaned up, I'm going to let her look at that other cedar tree that's down there. It's kind of forked and 4 or 5 shoots there, so it's not the prettiest tree in the world, but it doesn't look bad from up here. So if she likes it when we get finished cleaning up the limbs and stuff, then we'll leave it. If not, we'll take that one down too. But thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of it today. Hope you enjoyed it. Not sure what's next on the agenda. I've got to clean this up. I'm not sure if I'll bring you along for any of that or not, but we'll see how that goes. But I want to say thank you everybody for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. Share the videos, get them out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this. Like I said, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get here, but you know, we're making baby steps in the right direction. Mama's happy, so that's the main thing. Until next time, thank you.